de MELISA band. Ja. We lopen ook toe aan mijn oor. Nee, Jeffy, de film uit Terroir Monalo.
Reggae style. Early in the morning she will gather her island fruits. Back then as she starts another day. Carefully she makes her way beside the mountain stream as she sings another chant of long ago. Early in the morning she will gather her island fruits. Back then as she starts another day. Carefully she makes her way beside the mountain stream as she sings another chant of long ago. Sweet lady of Wyoming, sitting by the highway, selling her papaya.
Ja, laten we nog een moeten doen, maar dat is
Sitting by the highway, selling her papaya, 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 green and rice banana. Walking down red and rugged road, her humble wagon stops. She watched the sun pretty the valley sky. Smiles and wipes the sweat off from her brow. Continues on, starts her journey through the highway, rising sun. Walking down her damn rugged road, her humble wagon stops. She watched the sun creep through the valley sky. Smiles and wipes the sweat off from her brow. Continues on, starts her journey through the highway, rising sun. Sweet lady of Wyoming, sitting by the highway, selling her papaya. Sweet lady of Wyoming, sitting by the highway, selling her papaya, greens and ripe banana. Morning she will gather her island fruits. Back them as she starts another day. Carefully she makes her way beside the mountain stream as she sings another chant of long ago. walking down her hand, rocking her wagon stops. She watched the sun between the valley sky, smiles and wipes the sweat up from the road, continues on, starts her journey through the way, rising sun. Sweet lady of Wyoming, everybody, sitting by the highway, selling her papaya, green and red banana. Sweet lady of Wyoming, sitting by the highway, selling her papaya, green and red banana. Selling her papaya, green and red banana. Selling her papaya, green and red banana.
Hey, hey!